we are going to be showing you a XCMG XE200GH Excavator. The overall weight is 21.5 pounds and mainly used for utility, site development, demolition, and general overall constructions. And let's take a look at its benefits and features.
The resistance seal gives you the durability and reliability needed from the job site.
We'll start with the bottom. Here we have a 0.93 cubic meter standard bottom. XCMG also offers different types of earthwork buckets and strengthened buckets and attachments such as hydraulic pump and CRUKING that you may need. The model is equipped with a Cummins F4.5PLUS diesel engine and produces 129 net horsepower. The upgraded hydraulic system, both hydraulic pump and hydraulic valve, are designed and produced by Kawasaki.
For the electronically controlled engine technology increases the fuel utilization rate by 5%, making the excavator strong in fuel-saving ability.
Let's move to the cam.
An 8-inch LCD 4-color touchscreen monitor allows you to check pressure, flow, working modes, and other functions. The seat is an aero seat with good adjustability. The machine is equipped with joysticks that provide smooth, positive feedback and reduce operator fatigue throughout the day. As you can see, it's very spacious with plenty of great field of vision from the front, back, and right.
As a professional construction machinery owner, we provide 1 year warranty of 1,000 hours of warranty on brand new machines itself. If you are interested, welcome to find New Zealand.